The best way to clean the DNF cache is by running this command. This will remove all cache files generated from the repository metadata. If that doesn't solve your problems, you can run a complete clean with this command. With the apt package manager, you can issue the following command. This will remove the content from archives directory except for the lock file. Another apt option is to run this command. This only removes the packages that cannot be downloaded from repositories. In other words, if you downloaded a .deb package and installed it, any file associated with that package will remain.